Hello, this is Alan from Tusharf. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up collision on your agent. So let's create a couple of agents. But here let's create a grid layout with some agent. Let's create some more agent here. Let's add some animation with a state machine module. There, let's put in work state. Okay, so a really simple simulation. So now let's add a collision object like this cube here, something like that. It's fine. So if I now press play, the agent will just go through the wall. It doesn't consider for collision because we need to set up collision shape on the agents. So the first things, go on your agent type that you're using, and now you can see there are this new section here in the asset, one for the collision shape, one other for the ragdoll. The ragdoll we'll see later in another video to set up the ragdoll. For now, just focus on the collision shape here. So you can choose basic collision shape for your agents. Let's use a capsule. In this case, let's put I don't know, 40 as radius and probably 85, something like that for the height. If you need some transformation here, you can put as well. Let's save. If I press play, I still have the agents go through the wall because we need to tell Atoms to set up the collision shape. So let's add a ragdoll module. So when you create the ragdoll module, if I select and deselect, you see it will add this actor component, that is the agent collision. This component creates and store the collision shape for every agent. On this component you have access to the collision attribute and physics attribute as well. And also you can add actor to ignore for the collision. So for example, if you don't want collision between agents and I don't know the floor, you can just add the floor here. For example, let's add the floor here because we don't need collision there. So now let's press play. You see now the agents are colliding each other, also colliding with the objects. And if I select the agent group and I show the collision, you can now see the collision capsule there. So now that your agent has a collision shape, you can access all the overlap and hit events in Blueprint, for example. So for example, let's go to the level Blueprint, select the agent group, and now you can go to the event and collision event. So you have now the basic default actor overlap, actor hit. You can use this event, but this event doesn't tell you which agent is colliding or overlapping another actor. So there are another version of this event that are those 3-1. So for example, I can use this one to know which agent is hitting an actor. So for example, if I do a print here and I can set this one and I can append to the append here, so we can print the actor that is colliding, and let's connect this one. Okay, let's compile, let's see, spray. So it's nothing printing because we need to turn on the generation of the hit event. So let's go to the agent collision component, go on the collision and turn on the generate hit events. So let's press play. So you can now see the Gen 1, 3 colliding with a cube, and also at the beginning colliding with the pawn. So now you have all access to the hit event. And now you can use also, for example, trigger volume. For example, you can use box trigger here. Oops. Scalability this guy here. So with the trigger box, let's go to the blueprint. So you can use the default one, collision, for example, actor not begin overlap. Let's disconnect this one. But this one just tell you which actor. It doesn't tell you which agent is overlapping. If I press play, you see. Oh, sorry. Let's go here. It's the other one. So it tells you that it's the agent group, and you don't know which agent is overlapping. So to know which agent, you can use the event from the agent group. So if I go here, so collision, and there is my atoms agents begin overlap. In this case, I know I have the group ID of the agent is overlapping. So if I disconnect this guy, this one, and this one, and I do an append here with my group ID. Let's set a space here and then a group ID. Now let's connect this one. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and next video I'll show you how to set up a regular